I'm going to be okay. You're going to be okay. આપણે બધા બરાબર થઈ જઈશું. Because nature is smarter than men, and men just doesn't care. He leaves it to the kids to fix it and figure it all out while he counts the chips. I say, fuck the chips, fuck the coins, fuck the money, man. We don't need them. But yeah, we do need them. God, it's so frustrating. Do you want to go? Are you even listening to my points, or was it too much, too fast, too all over the place?